My name is Harry and I'm here to help. If you like the trailer you're about to watch, consider taking a look at my premium course, Artist's Guide to Email Writing, linked in the description below. In this course, I cover everything a professional artist or an aspiring professional artist needs to know about emailing their non-artist clients. Grab a free month of Skillshare using the link in the description below and watch the course for free. Thanks for watching. Hi, my name is Harry and I'm a professional artist. I've worked for over a decade as a professional artist in multiple different industries. My jobs have included creating user interface art for a major video game development company, a green screen footage editor and a 3D background artist for a video production company, and working as a lead 3D artist and later a studio director for an award-winning architectural visualization studio. During my career as a professional artist, I quickly realized that most non-artist clients simply didn't think the same way I did when it came to creative projects. This led to frequent miscommunications that frustrated both myself and the client and led to an overall more contentious project than it should have. Over the years, I've developed many different email writing techniques that I've incorporated into my workflow that have dramatically improved client communications. Clear and effective email communication is the basis of a solid project foundation. Miscommunications during these early phases can cause a project to go off the rails and require a lot more time, effort, and money to get it back on track. In this class, we'll learn how to write clear and effective emails to our clients as artists working in a creative field. We'll be learning techniques such as client idea guiding, effective question and email formatting, dealing with overestimates and underestimates of the difficulty of our work, and nailing down a deadline with an elusive client. This class is meant for any artist or aspiring artist that wants to learn how to communicate easily and effectively with their clients. These enhanced communication techniques will lead to more completed projects, happier clients, and more repeat customers. We'll put the skills we learn into practice with our class project. You will successfully answer one of 4 hypothetical email chains with a client. Each one of these emails will focus on a specific issue that you will need to deal with in a clear and effective manner using all of the tips you've learned throughout this class. Feel free to answer all 4 mock emails if you want the extra practice. After you've crafted your response to the situation, post your replies to the gallery for my feedback on how well you've overcome each issue. I hope you'll join me in this class as we learn valuable email writing techniques geared specifically towards artists and creative professionals. I'll see you in the first lesson. If that trailer piqued your interest, consider checking out my Artist's Guide to Email Writing premium course. Grab a free month of Skillshare using the link in the description below and watch the course for free. Thanks for watching.